a man being abused by Omwankasa Yirenom, a man being abused by Omwankasa Krunum. A crime ban on Emrano, such people bet me a faso. Lawyer.
If I show me chair on Amide, in Chamo we as a pressure better me sooner. A pressure de Fanya Juma, in only produces pressure none way the time on the prime idea. I feel so no. Last week, he pen me releasing me new book. No, I made it 7 months. Troy. Okay. Until we won't say
book bay.
The laws and psychology of abuse.
Okay.
We won't say me nimu krania de adinye na cry and shed that into torso here na more pressure. They me abet na studio. Until me madam say Reverend and I answer for. Until no abuse no.
What does it?
So dear, me be free akra lunch near adinye na me away. Intimidasi for over the years for the support you have given me ever since you came to Accra, and I appreciate that. Me see over the years the support you have given me from the time you came to Accra. So I didn't know you until you came to Accra. You in the other station, and then I follow you a lot. I follow your religious, and I'm happy. I'm one of the women, the broken women who watch your videos, the religious, they pray. I always have to prompt you, say, prayers and you listen to me, intimidasi. Into your quiet same so. Abuse in some media, me akra me free moon, I made the call law school news and same, and I'm a otane, a whole lot of things. I'm a divorce lawyer. I have to put it on record. I'm not a marriage counselor. Neither am I a relationship expert. So when I leave my number, if you have marital issues, speak to the lawyers, the counselors. I'm a divorce lawyer. For your wife drain is still pursue free our renum. Nobody can advise you to have a divorce. From what counselor said, maybe some me ending about Obana must say when you're 19 years and I know some of these things, they pity love. Somebody will marry you on grounds of pity. And a lot of marriages are like that. All these things, it doesn't work well. The foundation is wrong. It is pity. It is pity.
Asempa FM.
It's just out of your favor. Now your favor, there's no love. Even love, Asempa, love whether it exists or it doesn't exist. And that one, I am not a year of love. Because I believe that people should engage on grounds of business. They know they are the better. Patrick, baby, remember. But I can't abuse, especially with my current book. I made it from December to this month. I releasing. I try releasing. This book talks about the beginning and the end of abuse. Yes. And the psychological way, from February, I haven't been out anywhere. I've been, in fact, Counselor said, 1 week, I have actually lost touch with reality because I needed to focus and bring something out for the whole country so that people will stop committing abuse. Acts of violence, daily acts, say assault, where the woman has Nikuna Chuchano. It's a clear case of causing harm. And the jail term is 10 years. So I want people to know the various. And no assault to causing harm.
Jail term
10 years. Yes. There's chapter 8 of my book has the book is detailed. All the various acts of violence, the legal or the penal consequences. So say as such say no. Say emotions and conquer could do be them no. And when we also talk about divorce issues, adultery is a ground of divorce. Parties should be able to go their separate ways, and I've always encouraged people to seek early divorce. Especially when there's no sex in it, the parties should go their separate ways because sex is very important.
What are you doing?
Asempa FM.
Committing adultery.
Okay.
It's a choice.
Yeah.
You make up your mind.
Yeah.
You plan it.
Who said that?
So, and you one day act too.
Yeah.
You plan it. Premeditated thing. Me person me lawyer da. Me send the pen. Me pushing it to the wall. You knew it.
For process.
No, where your husband is not sleeping with you. Or your wife is not, where there's no sexual intercourse in the marriage. It means that the marriage has broken down.
Beba Embrand say oh you didn't want na.
No, said up to 4 canons. It's economic events, psychological abuse or something. But once we have laws, the domestic violence law is the 2007.
No more can.
Oh, no, but divorce. Many relationship experts and many marriage counselor, but divorce need so kuno no di sebe or no be that or baby adultery. Johnson if go our renye asset pouring.
I say oka our giant simple be. Ama wom. Oh, then ma.
Oh, but say utnemucha. They utnemucha.
Na sabi ebia.
No, a lot of women are killing their husbands. Your friend is slow poison. It's so easy to kill your husband. It also cause cemetery and bema no nipa mo bema do the same ba. A lot of men are no a man eku. I've dealt with a lot of women. Or say I can say ni kunu kwa be didi. They be on any one fascin didi. Why you do na so the go you man. We should say be a ko nipa mi no ana because they look at the divorce procedure. You need to have money. I think when you go to the Ghana bus, I think divorce about 20,000 or something. Our rent now call our not 15,000. We bet you 20,000 or they could go our lawyer be drum mojo 5,000 are fine. Some of us we have helped a lot of women, and then the psychological aspect. So abuse no start here.
Also 20,000.
Oh yes, I think the least should be 25,000. And answer filing fees, transportation, yeah, there. Didn't you know? So then I have a problem with the churches and the pastors, those who are officiating marriages. You cannot be celebrating marriages when the pastors don't even know about the divorce laws. Social media, videos on divorce. The churches were not allowing me to even give them the education, even for free. We are there. Social with Muguo, and Bemana Kosu Boom, Mana Quasia, and Manon Son Sebe. Minim says, say, or do, say Jimmy, say Dienu, almost soon, and Janima Bemani D. And then no more, no more, none about could be say 2 years of Bemano Sika, the man for the child is 40 Ghana cedis a month. What can 40 Ghana cedis do? So I want the women to be enlightened. Say, Oma Dreamum be. Now, but all these acts and which be know that whatever you do with your emotions, there are penal consequences. So, what if you say, "Dear, why na yaka de no so no obeko trauma mu obeko nya psychological problem ni ade won so we abuser no won so no the ma we yes no why what triggered you?" And I said generally no de we obi a you say you go away, you feel entitled to do all those things. The abusers must stop. The psychological, character traits or personality disorders, abusers one of those. Me book my church in book no quite the church. I made them teachers, treasury institutions.
Very well. This is what we want to do every Friday. This is what we're going to do. We are sharing a certain in respect to marriage. Because messages are about because friend Dora Amafu or say, Prophet, please, I need your help because I'm going through the same problem now. A lot of people are going through psychological, physical problems.
Psychological win. Girl now down sorry, and I said the said sorry.
She would never be the same.
You need psychological win. A psychological win, mystery, and your prayer camp. And then you're fasting in prayers, then you're dry fasting, a clinical issue. You need to see a psychologist for assessment and evaluation. Say at so they are, and then they will hear about them for us. Now, all these things, I go PSL, because personality disorders be a bit more treated bipolar and borderline personality, they can't go bit more treated, but at first, no about down there. Now, she know on there a day at the psychiatry is 100 cedis on medication and a whole lot. So we must focus on preventive crime.
Very well.
And on over the years, Marco schools, yes, they say maybe teachers, institutions, and a whole lot. But let me for me more time and also there make jam a number preko.
Drop your number on our counselors
on social media. Ohenewaa Human Rights Advocacy. And I'm phone WhatsApp. Oh, friend, I'm a block you. 05487279883. 05487279883. Me see and she shared that when run am the adwuma and friend me midnight. And then me high sap me ade me block you. You need time for Sanyema. Oh, fra, your voice not that to mama. What's him? And friend me say, lawyer, you are beautiful. I'm not selling my body. We are trying to fix a problem in society.
Lawyer, they just said, how
I don't know whether it is fantasy or I don't know. People are generally not.
Next week, maybe some Counselor.